Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, scenario ongoing flooding is occurring in a tri-state area. Local and regional resources are overwhelmed and there are numerous missing and injured persons. Additional rain and wind is forecasted for the tri-state area. The president has declared all continues in the affected region as disaster areas under the Stafford Act. The correct answer to the question is type 1 incident. So that the correct answer to the question, if any question